name is Elvi.
Hi, my name is Arif.
Today we learn about robotics.
The project is machine gun.
Okay.
We're gonna show you how it works.
2, 3. Okay.
Careful lah, nanti kena tu, kena tangan sakit.
3.
Thank you for watching our video.
See you next time.
Bye.